Aesthetics is one of the big things that we try to pay attention to with lightning protection. The older Faraday cage system requires a bunch of lightning rods all over the roof with cables that are interconnecting on the roof. Kind of makes this beautiful new design look like a pincushion. The lightning preventer system, on the other hand, only has a single rod on the roof and only one cable coming down the roof. And in most cases, we can conceal this to make it virtually invisible from the street.
Hi, we're here on Casey Key on a new construction project for the Island Building Company. We've installed a Lightning Preventer 2005A lightning protection system, and as you can see, it's completely installed and it's not even visible from the street.